In this video, we will show you how to submit your fluid analysis sample on your mobile device through the Horizon mobile app. Submitting and editing sample information via the Horizon mobile app is convenient, quick, and easy, and eliminates handwritten paperwork errors. Once logged into Horizon on your laptop or smartphone, tap the left navigation menu and select Submissions. Then tap New to submit a new sample. Tap the camera icon to scan your label's barcode, or you can type in the barcode, which can be found on your paperwork. It is typically 11 digits long. Then tap Continue. Select the correct component that is associated with the fluid sample, or you can use the search box to find the component. Here are a few tips to help you navigate the sample submission form. You can see the component information at the top of the form. This can be expanded to see all the information, and the information can be edited while you're submitting a sample, if needed. The fields which have a green asterisk are required for submission. Scrolling down on the form will show the additional fields on the form. Tapping Cancel in the top right corner will discard your submission. Under Sample Information, enter in the sample date, or the day you pulled the sample. Component time is how long the component has been operating. Fluid time is how long since you've changed the fluid in your system. These fields are dependent on your preference. The options are miles, kilometers, hours, days, months, years, kilotons, tons, and unknown. If you have submitted a sample for that component previously, click Calculate Fluid Time and the system will calculate it for you. Enter if the filter and fluid were changed, then the amount of fluid added. This is the amount of fluid that has been added since you sent in a sample for that component. Under Order Information, the kit field will have auto-filled based on your barcode you entered when you began your new sample submission. If you have the option to select a kit without a barcode, leave the barcode field blank and select the kit and your account will be charged accordingly. For billing and account purposes, you can enter in a purchase order number. Your account may require a PO when submitting samples without a barcode number, requesting rushes, or requesting additional testing. Toggling the Rush Service field to Yes moves your sample to the front of the laboratory queue. There will be an additional charge for a rush sample. Depending on the type of testing and time of arrival, the sample may be completed on the same day the sample arrives at the laboratory. Scrolling down will allow you to see the last few fields on the mobile submission form. The additional testing field allows you to request tests beyond the ones included in your standard kit. Additional charges will apply. The Notes to Analyst box allows you to submit any additional information about your sample that would be helpful when the data analyst is reviewing the test results and offering their maintenance recommendations. This is the only information the analysts can review. The Miscellaneous field is there for any additional information you want to associate with the sample for your own information. Once you've completed the information for all the fields, tap Submit. You will get a confirmation screen with a green check mark. This means your sample information has been successfully sent to the laboratory. You will also receive an email confirming your sample was submitted. Your next step is to place your jar in the mail and ship to the laboratory. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more Horizon instructional videos in the technical library. If you have any additional questions or need assistance, contact customer service. We're here to help.